Hi, hello. Today I have a classic Christmas party makeup look. It's very Christmassy, it's glittery, you have the red lip. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel if you aren't already, that would be great. If you don't know already, I'm doing 12 days of Christmas. I will put the link to my playlist of 12 days of Christmas up in the eye. And yeah, if you are enjoying it, then please make sure you comment down below and let me know, and like this video if you enjoyed it. I hope this gives you some inspiration, maybe to wear on Christmas Day or to a party. So yeah, if you want to see how I created this look, then please keep on watching. Okay, so I've done one eye. Hopefully it looks okay. Let's do the other eye. So for the eye base, I'm going to take the Urban Decay All Nighter Waterproof Full Coverage Concealer in the shade Fair Neutral. And I'm first going to outline my eyebrows. Okay, so I'm going to go into my palette that I made myself with Makeup Geek shadows. So the first shade I'm going to go in with is Peach Smoothie. Then I'm going in with the shade Sidekick, which is a nice like warm brown. And I'm just popping that further down in the crease. I've forgotten how good Makeup Geek eyeshadows are, but I'm getting back into them. Then lastly I'm going to take Cocoa Bear, which is a nice darker brown, and I'm putting this just on the outer corner. Okay, so now I'm going to go back to the concealer we set the eyes with, and I'm going to take that and do a moon shaped cut crease. Then I'm going to take the MAC pigment in the shade Old Gold, which is like a goldy, greeny kind of tone. I'm just going to place that where we cut the lid. Okay, so now the tricky part, which is the eyeliner, the winged eyeliner. So I'm using the Rimmel Exaggerate eyeliner in the shade Black, and I'm just going to take my time. I'm going to leave it there before I start making it any bigger. Okay, so next I'm going to use the Collection Glam Crystals Dazzling Gel Liner in the shade Funk 3. It's just a nice gold glitter, and I'm going to put this all over the gold pigment. Okay, so I'm going to put a black pencil liner in my waterline. Okay, so now I'm going to move on to my face. Okay, so for primer today I'm going to take the Soap & Glory One Heck of a Blot primer. Okay, so for foundation I'm going to be taking the Urban Decay All Nighter foundation in the shade 2. So I'm going to put this on my hand, blend this out with a sponge. This is a very full, thick coverage foundation. It's not for everyone. but I do like it, but I found that it does go into my like smile lines and stuff quite bad, because I wore it on a night out before and by the end of the night I had foundation all up in my smile lines. But it might be different for other people, but I do like it for like these occasions, like a party and stuff, because it photographs nice and it is super full coverage. As you can tell, I have some blemishes at the moment and I'm not a fan. I'm not a fan. It dries super quick as well, so you've got to be quick. Okay, so then for concealer, I'm going to use the matching concealer to the foundation. This is the Urban Decay All Nighter Waterproof Full Coverage Concealer in the shade Fair Neutral, and blend that out with a sponge. Very thick concealer as well. Okay, so to set my under eyes, I'm going to use the RCMA No Colour Powder. And I'm only going to use this under my eyes. Then I'm going to take a big fluffy powder brush and use the Rimmel Stay Matte powder in the shade Silky Beige. I'm not going to use too much of this powder, I just like to set my face with it, because the foundation is quite matte anyway. I have dry skin, or dry combo skin, and this foundation doesn't cling to any dry patches, which is great, even though it is a matte foundation, like I said. Really nice. Now for bronzer, I'm going to go in with an oldie. This is the Body Shop bronzing powder in the shade 01 Light. It's a nice matte bronzer. As you can see, I've hit pan quite a bit, and I used to use this quite a lot, and then I started using other powder bronzers, but I wanted to use it again and to use it up really, because it is quite used and I may as well use it up now. It is really nice, even though it's the lightest shade, it does look quite nice, and it's not too dark, it's not too light. Lovely. Blends really nicely too. Next is blush. So I'm going for a muted blush today because the eyes are so bright already, and also the lips are going to be bright. We'll see. This is the mini Benefit Rockateur blush. It's just a mini size. Unless someone buys me the full size Benefit blushes, I am not willing to spend nearly £30 on a blush. Okay, so now I'm actually going to set my face. This is the MAC Fix Plus Gold Light. Just looks like this. This is the Fix Plus with like a little bit of gold shimmer in there. As you can see, it looks like this, but when you shake it, it looks amazing. Look at that. Love it. I haven't even used this yet, I don't think, but hopefully it looks good. I want to bring a little bit more of a luminous look to my skin, as the foundation is quite matte. It didn't do a major difference, but I love the smell of MAC Fix Plus. Okay, so next is highlights. So the highlight I'm going to use is the Ofra Rodeo Drive. This is just the mini sizes. I'm going to use the Rodeo Drive. Okay, so I'm going to come back to that in a second. You will see. Now I'm going to go back to the Eyes Peach Smoothie shade, and I'm just going to run that under my eye. Then I'm going to go in with Sidekick. I'm not going to go in with Cocoa Bear because it's a little bit too dark, I think. And run that all the way across. Then I'm going to add a little bit of the highlighter in the inner corner, just to add a little pop of something. For the lower waterline, I'm going to use the Colourpop Cream Gel Liner in Honey Dude. It's just a nude shade. Okay, so the lashes I'm going to apply are the Tatty Lashes in TL6. Really like the Tatty Lashes eyelashes. Okay, so I'm going to apply these, mascara, and do my eyebrows, and I'll be right back to do. Okay, so I sorted my hair out-ish. Now I'm going to go for lips. This is the Colourpop Lippy Pencil in the shade Bossy, which is a nice bright traditional red. Then I'm going to take the Morphe liquid lip in the shade Morphe, which is a nice red shade. They do have different packaging now, which is stunning, but this is just the old packaging. So I think I'm going to stick with the matte lip for today because the eyes are quite glittery and bold. So okay, so this is the final look. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you are enjoying 12 Days of Christmas so far, then please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. I will link the playlist of 12 Days of Christmas up there. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already so you don't miss out on any videos. I love you to the moon and back. I hope you have a wonderful day, night, wherever you are, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Bye guys.